The Covid-19 pandemic has challenged and exceeded the capacity of hospitals and intensive care units worldwide. Healthcare workers have continued to provide care for patients despite exhaustion, risk of infection, fear of transmission to family members, illness or death of colleagues. Healthcare workers have also shared in the anxiety associated with unprecedented population restrictions and personal isolation, which have all stressed all our collective ability to cope.
Behind the mask are mothers and brothers, nurses and doctors. Behind the mask are neighbors and friends, loved ones and martyrs. Behind the mask, my colleagues haven't changed, even though we've all altered in many ways. Behind the mask is someone I know, even though I don't recognize her face. Behind the mask, I can't see her hunger. I can't see her pain. But I can still see her tears. They arrive and there's no need to explain. Behind the mask, we age. Dark hair turns to gray. Worry lines appear. Behind the mask, I miss feeling together and relaxed. I miss cheering in audiences and late night laugh tracks. Behind the mask, I feel safer, but it doesn't hide my fears. Behind the mask, I feel safer, but my words are insincere. My words are muffled behind the mask, their meaning dulled and meek. Behind the mask, I feel my warm breath, but today it feels weak. My words are muffled. Behind the mask, I want to scream. I just want to let my feelings out. I've been told to social distance, but I'm losing my existence and my future's in doubt. Some rip off their mask in anger and pride. Others humbly wear their masks and only take it off inside. Behind the mask, I feel safer, but it doesn't hide my fears. Behind the mask, I feel safer, but my words are insincere. My words are muffled behind the mask, their meaning dulled and meek. Behind the mask, I feel my warm breath, but today it just feels weak. Behind the mask are those helping, healing, and hoping. Our quiet desperation is the only way of coping. Behind the mask are the sick, and some will pay with their lives. I wear the mask to protect you, and you wear one to protect me. Please don't lose sight of the human pact we signed mutually. I wear my mask in respect to all those who have died, and for those who want to live. The coronavirus sees all people equally. And behind the mask, it's so hard to hide. Behind the mask, I feel safer, but it doesn't hide my fears. Behind the mask, I feel safer, but my words are insincere. My words are muffled behind the mask, their meaning dulled and meek. Behind the mask, I feel my warm breath, but today it feels weak. This too shall pass when we can all come out from behind the mask.
The director of the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention said Monday that she's worried the United States could see another surge of COVID-19 if mitigation measures are not followed, such as mask wearing, physical distancing, and avoiding crowds. The director said that the relaxation of prevention measures, while cases are still high, is a serious threat to the progress. Added to the growing surge of COVID-19 cases, variants are spreading rapidly throughout the United States. During a White House briefing, it was reported that two newly identified variants, B1427 and B1429, are growing in proportion to total COVID-19 cases. Some states are reporting up to nearly half of all cases are the concerning variants.